Would you mind if I sing for you? 'Cause I'll be waiting, waiting, waiting here for you.
Ow. Hey guys. My hair looks crazy. I don't know what to do with it. It's not really about my hair in this video. I just woke up and my eyelashes are coming off. I just need to eat something. It's my first time eating Zaxbys. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all what I got. I got wings. And I got the tenders, a salad. These are the Buffalo Traditional. I have Boss Baby on for my son. Don't even know me on the bones. Don't be that person. These are so good. So, I'm coming out here because I need to talk about some things. I've been going through a lot. And no matter how hard I try, I cannot shake this rut that I'm in. It's like a constant depression. And on top of that, I'm starting to get anxiety. I didn't always have anxiety, but now I get anxiety really bad. And I could not even have a reason. I'm not into selling. I don't know why people like that shit. Yeah, I can't shake this anxiety. Y'all, don't mind my hair. Like, I seriously just woke up, so it's crazy. I can't shake it for the life of me, and I really want to because it's just not a good feeling to have. Like, I don't want to get no pills, but I do have anxiety really bad, and I get anxious out of nowhere really bad. And I've been trying to be positive every day, but it's hard. Especially when bad shit keeps happening around you. Just recently, I had a friend, she's like my sister. She lost the father of her child. And we're young, like I'm only 21, she's 21. He was 22, I think. I have a 2-year-old baby. I just feel for her, like, my heart goes out to her. Nobody can imagine what that feels like unless they're in that situation. So I sympathize. No, I empathize for her. I can't sympathize because I haven't been through that situation. I really don't want to ever go through that situation, but I do empathize. And situations like that just get me even more depressed because, like, I want to be there for her. I want to help her. I want to hold her. I really do. Like, that's it's traumatizing, especially when you find the person that you've had so many memories with, you were in love with at a point, you love still, you know, shared memories with, have children with, just laying there, you know, like, that's traumatizing. And for someone, like, she's like a sister to me, like, I would never, I wish I could take it back for her. Like, I wish we could go back in time for her, but I can't, and I feel helpless, and it pisses me off to the core because I want to do nothing but help her, but there's nothing I can do, you know what I mean? So, I hate feeling helpless. Like, that is the shittiest feeling there is in the world. And my heart goes out to her 100%.
Mostly see. Can't ride a bike without training wheels? Even bears can ride a bike without training wheels. Leslie?
But yeah, so much shit has been happening. There's been so many accidents, so many deaths, so many fires. The world is like going through something. And it's just scary. Because life is promised to no one. There's a movie that you guys should watch. It's called Bird Box with Sandra Bullock. It's so good. But basically, it's like when life is hard and it's the saddest and the most depressing state that you're in life, and you're going through it, you have to choose whether you're going to let that break you down and you give up, or you have to choose, you know, are you going to prevail? And that's what I've been struggling with as a person and as a mother, a new mother, young mother, a woman, a growing young woman. I've been going through a lot of stuff, and I feel like it's one thing after another, after another, after another, and I feel like I can't catch a break, and I'm trying to shake this depression, I'm trying to shake the anxiety, I'm trying to shake the fears, the being scared, the worries, the doubts, and the reality of it is you can't fail in life unless you give up. The only way you can fail is if you give up. If you're still going and you keep going, you're not failing. And I have to play that into my everyday life because I beat myself up so bad, and I'm not even acknowledging the fact that every day I'm still going. That's a blessing within itself, one. And two, that's me getting stronger and stronger each day, every day, you know? But I don't see it that way because I'm in it, and I feel the opposite. I feel like I'm wasting time. I feel like nothing's gonna change. I know I can't have that mindset, but that's just how I'm feeling, and it's just so hard. I don't know if anybody else is dealing with depression lately or anxiety lately, but I understand now. That I sympathize because, man, it's hard. It's so hard to shake it and to be positive. But I'm gonna keep going and I'm gonna keep trying. I'm not gonna give up. I can't give up. I have a son depending on me, so I really can't give up. On this salad is crispy chicken, tomatoes, cucumbers, cheese, bacon, eggs, crispy onion strings, and then there's toast to go with it. And the salad is really big. Turn this out. Alright, turkey. About to shake it up. Fresh.
means without smiling. Possibilities of time. We all laugh, champagne. That was number one in China. Yes. And it gets even worse. Francis, the CEO of PuppyCo, made this announcement. And
We are scheduled to release the most adorable puppy ever. We're going to launch it at the pet convention in Las Vegas. It's gonna crush the competition.
no, Jumbo, no yay. We are the competition. This is war. Puppies are winning, and babies are losing. Thank you, Ted. And if this new puppy is as cute as we fear, we can put the baby business down.
This is good.
My job is to find out exactly what that new puppy is so that baby girl can stop it. And you're going to help me. Yay! Now, the parents will work with PuppyCo. So,
But yeah,
let's go. So, what do you learn?
that's why I haven't been posting as of lately. Like, then I come home, I have to get my son from my mom and my sister, and my son gets up and starts playing, so I don't get any sleep, and I gotta get back up and go back to work. I'm just tired. I barely eat. Like, this is my first meal today, and it is 11 o'clock at night. I haven't ate all day. But I really do miss YouTube. Once I get my energy up and I learn to balance everything, I will definitely be posting a whole lot more. I just really be tired. And it's harder to record when you're a mom. It is. Especially if you're recording by yourself. I'm getting full. I still have tenders. I wanted to try this sauce, so I'm about to try that for you. But I give Zaxbys a big thumbs up. Zaxbys. They're good. I just found that they had one over by me. I always thought that was only in Dallas. But I was wrong. I got sauce on there on accident. Okay. So let's get a tender. They have like a sweet smell. Excuse me. This is the Zaxbys sauce. I'm mad that they only gave me one. Like, it's different. It smells sweet. Like that. Kinda like Cane's. Kinda. Good though. There you go. Their chicken is really good. My son is about to start acting up, but I just wanted to get on here and vent and tell y'all what's been going on with me and what's been happening with me and why I haven't been posting. And I'm gonna try and do better. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for staying subscribed to me. Kingsley. Kingsley, say hi, baby. Hi. Thank y'all for staying subscribed to me and constantly still watching my videos. Love y'all. Give me a big thumbs up on this video if y'all want more mukbangs. I'm sorry that it wasn't as long, and well, it was long, but you know, I didn't eat as much because I hadn't ate all day and then I ate, so my stomach's full. And yeah, I'm gonna come back with some more videos. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I love newcomers. Join my family, Tasia Gang family. And yeah, y'all have a good night. Bye.